What is up, ADD Fitness? My name is Angadev Dogra, and if you're stuck in the office or working from home in this pandemic and you do not get time to work out, you're packed with work, then I have the perfect workout for you. This workout is really simple, really quick, and will not draw attention to you. So you can do this in your office only using your office chair. So let's get into the workout. So our workout is really simple. I'll be making two parts for this workout. The first one will be for people who are new to working out, for beginners, and the second will be for people who are a little more experienced. There'll be tougher exercises in this. You can do each exercise for about 10 or more reps. It won't take you long, and get into your comfortable attire. This is my work from home attire, and I'm sure you do the same when you're on camera. So let's get to the first exercise, which is windmills. In this, I want you to take your right arm and touch your left leg, and then you do a windmill motion and you do the same to the other leg. So you're just switching arms, and if you increase this, you can burn more calories. So let's do 10 reps of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So make sure to do 10 reps. Now let's go to our second exercise, which is torso twist. So you will take your torso and you're just going to twist it from right to left to right to left. So again, you're going to do 10 reps of this. Keep it simple, slow movement, and you can gradually up the pace. So let's start. Keep going with the exercise. Both left and right make 1 rep. And on our last rep, 10. Our next exercise is knee raises. This is a good exercise for your core. And if you've been sitting for a very long time slouching, it'll toughen your back up also. So it's a simple exercise. Sit on the edge of your chair and you're just going to bring your legs up and down. You're going to do this for 10 reps. Get ready. 1, 2, make sure to tighten your core. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, our next exercise is going to be scissors. So just like you do it on the ground for your abdomen, you're going to do it the same way. Straighten your legs and you're just going to do a scissor movement. So 10 reps, get ready, and let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on to our final exercise, which is great for the triceps, that is the tricep dip. So put your palms on the edge of your chair. Go into this position and you're just going to go down and going to push up. This is going to hit your tricep. So do 10 reps. Let's go. 1, 2. Make sure if you have a chair on wheels, you keep it pressed against the wall so it doesn't roll off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see that I'm already sweating. So make sure you do about 3 rounds of this entire circuit and you'll have a great workout. It won't take long and you'll be working out your muscles during your office hours or after them. I hope you liked this video. If you did, drop me a like, subscribe to my channel.